So it's Heaven Monroe right now. I'm feeding this baby squirrel. Hey everyone, say hi. Oh, he's eating some bread. That's me. I'm not feeding him right now. He's so cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. Look at him eating that. The bread is yummy. He's liking that a lot. So cute. Oh my god. Here, baby, come here. Come here. Look. Yummy. Oh my god, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, get to it. You want more? Come here. Here, baby. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come on, beautiful. Oh yeah, you yummy. There's more where that came from. You're so cute. This is my squirrel baby. He always tries to follow me in my home. Oh, baby. He's so cute. Yummy. That bread's tasty, huh? Oh my god, you're so cute. Cute little baby squirrel. Come here, baby. They have more. Look. Yum. Come here. Yeah, get that bread. Come on. Oh, baby, look. Look. Come here. Oh, yummy. He's eating this bread right now. I'm giving him. I have it laid out everywhere. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're so cute. Come here. Oh, he's going to my bread. I left him. He's so cute. Baby, where are you going? Oh, he's going in the tree. He's going far this time. I think I lost him. Okay, everyone. Well, this is Heaven Monroe. And that's out. I guess he's about to leave after this. So, enjoy this squirrel video. Bye. Oh, he's so fucking